Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by flipping the chair, placing it on a soft towel so parts won't scratch. This also stabilizes the mechanism. Once done, lock the casters or remove wheels to stop spinning. Next, feel for the retaining clip or washer holding the gas cylinder. Use an adjustable wrench to steady the cylinder while you pull the base away. You do this now because removing the base first gives clear access to the cylinder and prevents bending the mechanism. You should now focus on extracting the gas cylinder. Lower the top to its minimum so pressure is minimized. Make sure to wear safety glasses, then place a wooden block against the cylinder foot and tap with a mallet to break the seal. Once loosened, grip the cylinder and pull straight up. Use a bit of twisting motion if it resists. You do this because the cylinder often seizes from grease and compression. Breaking the seal avoids damaging the new base. You finish by inserting the replacement cylinder straight into the new base, aligning it with any retaining groove so it seats evenly. Once in, reattach wheels and stand the chair upright. Apply your weight to compress the cylinder fully so the parts settle together. Then test height adjustment, swivel, and tilt. If the chair wobbles, make sure the base is fully seated and the retaining clip or washer is in place. If problems persist, check for bent parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.